Hey Tim, I just wanted to show you something that I think is pretty cool. I'm just watching some continuing education from Wealthy Affiliate about keywords, and they're stressing the point of ranking and really focusing on one keyword phrase. And what happens, per their explanation, is that when you get to that top spot, number one spot for a specific keyword phrase, you get the magical Google juice, what have you, where all of a sudden you start ranking for multiple other keywords exponentially. And so by trying to rank for two keyword phrases, it just, you don't ever get to that top spot, and you never end up getting as much traffic. And so I started going through this and going through the new Google Search Console, which replaces Google Webmaster Tools. And I'm at the performance section here. And so this is just over the last 3 months. This is the total impression, average click through ratio, and average position. So it's kind of interesting, but if you go into something like, I think a Mar Global Reviews is pretty decent, but I think we tried to target a couple different keyword phrases in that, like what is a Mar Global and something else. And so, actually I don't want to go into that quite yet. So what I can do here is just go into the pages, and then I can pick out that page. There it is. What is a Mar Global scam review? So you can kind of see we tried to do that. And so if I click on that link, I can see all the pages that it ranks for, and it's just only one, or all the, from here I click back to queries, and then I can see all the other pages. So it actually ranks for 49 other keywords, and these are all the various keywords. So this is kind of cool to see that just by ranking for that one, well, for this one post, we rank for this many keywords. But now take something like, go back to pages, take like something like Amazon, the Amazon post. This is great. So this phrase targeted just 50, the traffic was 50. Does Amazon sell fake products? And in the queries, if you look at like all the stuff it ranks for, you can see, fake products on Amazon is position 5. Does Amazon sell fake items? Number 1. So you can see all these, you can see the click-through ratio, but here you see it ranks for over 1,000 different keywords. I mean, that's just crazy. Here's the top 500. So you can just see all these places that it ranks for all these keyword phrases, and it's just an amazing example of a keyword phrase. Now, obviously, the topic's hot and interesting. Amazon's huge, and so forth. But I thought that's kind of cool versus something that's not as targeted. I think we targeted, is AppCoiner a scam? Is AppCoiner a scam? So, I mean, we tried to target some other things, but we focused on that, and this is another pretty decent example. We go back to queries. It has over 69 different keyword phrases that it ranks for. So you can see those, the average position and so forth. So it's kind of cool stuff, but the main focus point was that he's saying just target that one keyword phrase, focus solely on that, making sure that it's relevant about that phrase and about that topic, and once you get top spot for that, you'll start ranking for those other related keyword phrases much easier. And I'm starting to believe that that's true based on just this little research. So that's all I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching.